16 Easy Ways to Use Olive Oil for Acne Scars. When dirt, dead skin cells, and other toxins clog pores, oil gets trapped beneath the skin, causing bacterial infections that result in acne breakouts on the face, neck, chest, and back. Acne is caused by hormonal imbalances, poor diet, poor hygiene, and other factors. Most of us will have to deal with it at some point in our lives, but that doesn't make breakouts or the scars they leave behind any less embarrassing. Fortunately, you don't have to look much farther than your own kitchen for a natural, affordable, effective way to reduce the appearance of stubborn acne scars. Instead of spending money on expensive creams, try olive oil for acne scars. We're about to tell you how to use it and how it works. Let's get started. Does olive oil heal acne scars? Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, contains polyphenol, an antioxidant that moisturizes skin. It reduces inflammation. It protects against the bacteria that cause acne. It exfoliates skin to remove toxins from pores and lighten scars. The nutrients in it even out skin tone, leaving it soft and smooth. The antioxidants accelerate the healing process and repair damaged skin. It contains vitamins A, B1, B2, C, D, and E, and proteins that keep skin healthy and clear. It helps restore the skin's oil balance, preventing greasiness and dryness. How to use olive oil for acne scars. What oil is good for acne scars? EVOO can be used alone and in combination with other natural ingredients that keep skin healthy and reduce the appearance of scars. Always use organic EVOO for the methods listed below. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Every night, use fingertips to massage it into clean skin, rubbing gently in circular motions. In the morning, rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. 2. Combine with baking soda. Baking soda kills the bacteria that cause blemishes while exfoliating to remove toxins from pores and lighten scars. Mix equal quantities of oil and baking soda to make a paste. Wash face and apply scrub to wet skin, massaging in circular motions for 3 minutes. Soak a clean washcloth in warm water and use it to wipe away the paste. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat 3 times a week. 3. Olive oil and brown sugar. When used as a scrub, brown sugar slowly melts, exfoliating to remove toxins from pores and lighten scars without causing irritation. Mix 1 tablespoon of EVOO with 1 tablespoon brown sugar to make a paste. Wash face and apply paste to wet skin, massaging gently in circular motions for 3 minutes. Soak a clean washcloth in warm water and use it to wipe away the paste. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat 3 times a week. 4. Olive oil and turmeric. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic. It prevents infections that cause breakouts while reducing inflammation and helping skin to heal. Mix equal quantities of EVOO and turmeric powder to make a paste. Apply to wet skin and leave on 10 minutes. Use wet fingertips to massage away the paste. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat 3 times a week. 5. Olive oil and tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is antibacterial and it prevents the formation of scars. Keep in mind that essential oils are extremely potent and should always be used in small quantities and diluted before use. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of EVOO with 3 drops tea tree oil. Use a cotton ball to gently massage oils into clean skin, focusing on stubborn scars. Leave on 5 minutes, rinse with cool water, and pat dry. Repeat daily. 6. Olive oil and honey. Honey is naturally antibacterial. It heals and prevents acne, moisturizes skin, and helps bleach away scars. Mix equal quantities of oil and raw honey. Apply to clean skin, massaging in circular motions, and leave on 5 minutes. Soak a clean washcloth in warm water and wring the excess water. Place it on massaged area and wait till the cloth cools down. Wipe the face with cloth, wash and pat dry the skin. Repeat twice a week. 7. Olive oil. chickpea flour, and yogurt. Chickpea flour exfoliates to remove toxins from pores and lighten scars, while yogurt protects skin from bacteria that cause breakouts. Mix 1 tablespoon chickpea flour with 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt. Wash face and use fingertips to massage clean skin with AVU for 5 minutes. Apply chickpea flour mixture over the oil and leave on 15 minutes or until dry. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 8. Olive oil and lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice kills the bacteria that cause acne, bleaches away scars, and exfoliates to remove toxins from pores. In a blender, mix 1 tablespoon oil with 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice until emulsified into a smooth lotion. Apply to clean skin and leave on 10 minutes. Wet your fingers and massage for 5 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Note: do not apply lemon juice to open wounds. 9. Olive oil with baking soda and lemon juice. Mix 3 teaspoons baking soda with 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Apply to clean skin and leave on 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Use fingertips to gently massage oil into clean skin until completely absorbed. Leave on a few hours, rinse with cool water, and pat dry. Repeat twice a week. 10. Olive oil steam. Steam softens and loosens scar tissue so it can be washed away more easily. Massage oil into clean skin for 5 minutes, using deep pressure and circular motions. Leave on 10 minutes. Boil water and pour it in a large bowl. Drape a towel over your head and lean your face into the steam for 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water followed by cool water and pat dry. Repeat 3 times a week. 11. Olive oil with banana. Bananas contain vitamins that nourish skin. In a blender, mix 2 tablespoons AVU and 1/2 of a banana until smooth. Apply mixture to clean skin and leave on 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Repeat daily. 12. Olive oil with sea salt. Sea salt exfoliates to remove scar tissue. Mix 2 tablespoons of sea salt with 1 tablespoon AVU to make a thick paste. Massage into clean skin, rubbing very gently in circular motions. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat 3 times a week. 13. Olive oil with rosehip oil. Rosehip oil moisturizes skin while fading acne scars. Mix 2 teaspoons oil with 1 teaspoon rosehip oil. Pour into glass bottle and shake well. Use cotton ball to apply oils to clean skin. Leave on 8 minutes, then rinse with cool water and pat dry. Repeat 2-3 times a day. 14. Olive oil with castor oil. Castor oil moisturizes skin, kills bacteria, and fades acne scars. Mix equal quantities AVU and castor oil. Massage into clean skin, rubbing gently in circles until completely absorbed. Leave on a few hours, then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Note: this process works best when you leave the oils on overnight. 15. Olive oil with sugar. The glycolic acid in sugar removes dead skin cells and triggers skin cell regeneration. Mix 2 teaspoons organic cane sugar, 1 teaspoon AVU, and 1/4 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Apply to skin and scrub for 5 minutes. Leave on 15 minutes and rinse with cool water, pat dry. Apply AVU as moisturizer. Repeat 3 times a week. 16. Olive oil soap. AVU soaps are available at some store and can be ordered online. Find an organic brand that doesn't use chemicals or preservatives that may damage skin, and use it to wash your face before applying the above scrubs and masks. Kiss My Face and L'Occitane en Provence are 2 trusted retailers that offer soaps. Tips and precautions: for best results, follow the advice below when using olive oil to get rid of scars. If you can't find or afford AVU, use olive oil-based creams, lotions, and soaps from the above-mentioned retailers. It fades acne scars anywhere on the body. Use a glycerin-based soap to wash skin before applying treatments. Exfoliating is key to removing toxins, dead skin cells, and scar tissue from the skin, so make sure you don't skip that step. If these remedies yield no results, consult your doctor.